Hi everybody, this is Lauren from Unofficial Bucket List Family. I'm here in New Zealand with my family. We're here visiting some family and friends. Let me just show everybody really quick what the view is. Quite beautiful here in New Zealand, summertime. But anyways, a quick update. What happened is during our trip here to New Zealand, apparently the GoPros are not quite waterproof. You got to make sure you seal them all completely. And we were at the lake with some friends visiting. It was quite beautiful actually, the lake. And I didn't seal the GoPro completely, and water seeped in and I got water damage in the GoPro. It doesn't quite work. The problem is that my memory card is completely gone. So I had videos from Kauai, some from Tahiti, some from New Zealand, completely gone. So unfortunately I won't be able to show you guys any of those videos, which kind of sucks. And also at the beginning of this trip I crashed a little dune buggy or go-kart. I think I have a little video of it, and broke a couple ribs. So no doing any crazy things here in New Zealand on my GoPro, which is broken anyways. But the good news is I already ordered the new Hero 7 GoPro, and it should be there when we get back to the States. And I'm excited about that. It's supposed to be really good. It's supposed to be able to film in 4K without a gimbal. So I'll try it out. And also, the other good news is that we are going to Scotland in May from the States. So that's exciting. So I'll be videotaping a little bit of Scotland with the new GoPro. Anyways, thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't. And I'll leave you guys with this view here in New Zealand. Oh, gotta press stop.